Today I am going to show you how to achieve a longer lasting tyre coating using GTECHNIQ's T1 Tyre Dressing. T1 Tyre and Trim has been formulated to keep your tyres and trim black and spotless for longer than ever. T1 also gives you ultimate control over gloss levels, offering a natural satin finish with a single coat to a high gloss with multiple coats. GTECHNIQ does the T2 Tyre Dressing, which is body shop safe and has a high gloss, but this product will not last through a drive, in the rain or a car wash. The T1 is closer to a tyre coating than a dressing because it can last much longer than typical 3 to 5 washes. With many tyre dressings, some claim to be a tyre coating, but most don't last much longer than a drive in the rain or a car wash. We will be coming out with a tyre coating video soon, and we'll explain much more about the difference between a tyre dressing and coating. To clean the tyres, you can use the Tough Shine tyre cleaner, along with a green pneumatic polisher, with a medium crimped carpet brush. Spray down the tyre with the Tough Shine cleaner. You will notice the brown sludge on the tyre. That's the grease, oils and solvents of old tyre dressings coming off of the tyre. Use the brush to scrub down the tyre, typically 2 to 4 times, depending how dirty the tyre is. You will know the tyre is clean and free of solvents when you spray the cleaner on the tyre and see a clean white-looking foam instead of the brown sludge. After the tyres are clean, dry them off thoroughly. You can use compressed air and a towel. Apply the dressing to an applicator pad and work into the tyre. The T1 has a thicker consistency and spreads very easily. A little covers over very well. We added a couple of stills so you can see the deep, rich, glossy finish. Wait about 15 minutes if you want to apply a second coat for even deeper and glossier finish. When going for a longer lasting coating, always add a second layer. Another characteristic of tyre coatings is that it is dry to the touch. This will give you no sling results after your drive home from the shop. The T1 will give you longer results than most dressings on the market and is priced at $19.95 for a 250ml bottle. With this product, a little goes a long way in both tyre coverage and longevity. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, click on the bell to receive notifications for other videos, and give us a thumbs up.